What's up, YouTube? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and we are at Mercedes Benz of Fayetteville, brand new dealership, packed with awesome cars. And today we are checking out the 2019 GT53. Check it out. Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and we are out here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And as you can see, this is a brand new, beautiful Mercedes Benz dealership here in Fayetteville. It's my old salesman over there sold me my GT53 from here. Awesome guy. Come out here, check Joel out. He's enthused, excited, all about giving the customer a great experience, like he gave me. So definitely check him out. He'll be the guy I refer you to be honest. So anyway, check out this beautiful machine right here. This here is the 2000 and I'm pretty sure it's the 2019 GT53 BiTurbo V6 monster, 4MATIC. I'm sure you've seen these things all over the internet. It's going crazy with these cars, and this one right here is very, very beautiful. So this here is more like an entry model one for you guys that want to dip your feet into the GT63 but don't want to get hit with that price tag that you're to be expected to pay with the GT63. I may have said 63 when I meant to say 53 earlier, but this here is definitely the 53, and it is beautiful. I like the way this looks a lot better than the black one you might see in the previous video, which is also beautiful, but this red here is just killer. It's just awesome. So definitely a beautiful car. But yes, look at the lines on this baby. Can't beat that anywhere. Look at that side profile shot of it. That is just gorgeous. An immaculate car. So as you can see, the craftsmanship in this car is just awesome. Look at the carbon fiber finish on the door, Burmeister sound system. Beautiful knobs and switches there. I'm going to continue to look at the craftsmanship here on the dash. As you can see, carbon fiber finish just flows all the way across this vehicle, left to right. Just look at it. Beautiful. Black interior. It's like a cockpit. As you can see, it is just like the GT version, the two-door coupe version. It's just going to allow you to get the family in here now. It's going to be the excuse to get that supercar you always wanted. You have your little display back here. You have your little air vents. Your AMG logo back here in the back of the seat. Beautiful. You have your Autobach symbol right there in the center. You have your console, so you can get that same feeling as being in the front, sitting right in the rear of the vehicle. Got those awesome pedals down there. And this baby is only $99,000. It's gonna save you a whole lot of money. But then you throw on the extras and you're looking at about $123, so don't get your hopes up. But it's definitely cheaper than the other version. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna check out the motor here. Engine cover. You have your dual air inlets right here in the front. And this is a BiTurbo engine. So you want to get that maximum air velocity going into there with the stock fitment here, but there are definitely aftermarket solutions to it if you want to get more performance out of the vehicle. But this vehicle is ready to rock as it is. And as you can see, it's definitely going to have an intimidation factor out there on the streets, whether it's the Inline 6 version or the V8 version. Let's crank this baby up and see what it sounds like. Alright, so as you can see here, you have your G meter here, as well as your RPM gauge, your speedometer, and that's not it. You have all your functions here on the steering wheel, which allows you to control those functions, that display. And as you can see here in this newer model, it has like a touch sensor, so it's going to allow you to navigate across the menus here. And you have your menu over here. This is going to be your home screen over here. And as you can see, this vehicle has a super sport mode. Alright, so that's your super sport mode right there, which it focuses everything more on the center. And this vehicle does have a heads-up display, as you can see right there. You have your heads-up display, and you can also change that as well. You can go through the menu, as you can see, heads-up display, and you can alter all that good stuff. Let's go right here. So much you can do. I'm not an expert as far as navigating the menu, but I can just show you the way everything looks from my perspective here. So this is what we got here. Carbon fiber just all the way around the driver. It's immersive, surrounding you in every aspect. You have your beautiful sunroof right here. So much sunlight. We're gonna close that back up. Whew, that sun is no joke. But just so you can see, it's not panoramic, but it's definitely got a sunroof in it. You have your sunglass holder right here, as well as all of your emergency functions for Mercedes Benz Connect. You have your microphones and everything in here as far as picking up sounds and making adjustments to the quality of calls and things of such. And as you can see, the view to the back right there, that's phenomenal. Everything just flows so well in this vehicle. So nicely put together. I mean, you gotta love the way they deal with this button layout here. It is just awesome. It's beautiful. You can't ask for more. And what do you expect? Nothing less from Mercedes Benz. Alright, so if you look in here, you have your NFC charger in here. I guess you can put your cell phone in there, and it's going to charge your cell phone in there as well. You have a USB connector right there. You also have, let's see, your cigarette lighter right there. Okay. You have your double door for your armrest. It's going to allow you to pop both of them up and close one at a time if needed, so you're not inconveniencing both passengers. Say someone has this one up, it's going to allow that one to pop up, and you can close it back up. Say if someone's resting their arm here and you need to get access to something, just hit the button, and just one side is going to pop up, allowing you to access whatever you need out of there without inconveniencing the passenger. As you can see, you have USB connections right there, as well as a SD card input in case you need to put some media in here so that you can, you know, rock out or whatever the case may be. Okay. Like I said, you have your functions here. They're all touch button right there. That's for your dynamic select. It allows you to run through all of the functions right there. You have your Sport Plus mode. That's for your transmission right there. You can change that on the fly. Sports Plus suspension, comfort, traction control on or off. You have your performance exhaust. See? Don't know if you could hear that, but it definitely changed tones. Let's see, this is normal. Let's crack the window so you can hear it. Nice and quiet. Turn it on. There you go. See? And you can also lower and raise your wing right here. Now look at the trunk space in this baby right here. As you can see, you can get anything up in this car right here with no problems at all. All the cargo space you need. Plenty cargo space to do whatever you have to do. You have your Burmeister speaker right here in the back. You have your cargo straps here. You have a 12-volt accessory output right there, power output, as well as you can let the seats down. It doesn't come back up, but you can definitely let the seats down. So if you're loading up something big, you're not going to have any problems here in this Mercedes. No problems at all. Well, this concludes our look at the 2019 GT53, brought to you from Mercedes of Fayetteville. Please don't hesitate, go online, check out their website, see what else they got in stock. As you can see, Mercedes of Fayetteville. Give them a call, ask for Joel, Sean, both of them great guys to work with. I had an opportunity to work with both of them. Awesome manager here. They give you the best deal that they can possibly give you. I got my first Mercedes from these guys, and it's been an awesome experience. And I don't think I'd go with anything other than a Mercedes at this point. It's just great cars, so please don't hesitate. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we're gonna call it a day and get up out of here. Look at them lights on that baby right there. Come on now. At night, it's gonna be so intimidating. Golly, that is beautiful. Look at the size of them tires on there. I'm at the end of the review of the vehicle, and I still can't get enough of how sexy this thing is. It's so appealing. But hey, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and that's a wrap. You guys have a good day. Peace.